Hi, my name is Healy. Today I want to talk to you about Zeetings. Zeetings is a great presentation tool, and for your Zoom session, this could actually be a very engaging, a wonderful tool to engage students during class. So you want to go to zeetings.com, then you sign in, and you create your account. Click on Create an Account. If you are an educator, you are entitled to get up to 500 presentations. So you go to Plans and you apply here, Education and Nonprofits. You click Apply and you apply, and you want to use your organization email, not your personal email, but your organization email to apply and say where you are from. To start a new Zeeting, you click New Zeeting. And of course, you can upload a PowerPoint, but you could also just start adding content. Click the plus, upload PowerPoint if you have one, or just create slide. In order to create a slide, you just insert some text here. And then you click Create. Other activities you can add in between your presentation slides to engage students are polls, and this is actually my favorite. You can add YouTube videos, surveys, but polls, with polls you have different questions. You have a scale, multiple choice, thumbs up, thumbs down, ranking, just a text, which is an open question, and a word cloud. So let's say you want to start with the word cloud. You just write how are you feeling today, for example. Create, and then people respond. As they respond, you will see their answers during class. Let's add another type of a question. Let's say multiple choice. Here we write a question, and here we write answer, answer, and answer. Since it's kind of like a poll, we don't actually say which is the correct answer. We'll just talk about it during our Zoom session or our synchronic session. So last thing I want to show you is perhaps the thumbs up, thumbs down, which are really nice for true-false questions. For example, the hero is sad, or the hero of the story, or the hero in the story. Then here you can write true, and here you can write false. So let's see what it looks like so far. We click here to see what it looks like. This is the word cloud. As people add their answers, you will see all the different answers. Here is a question, and here is a true-false question, or thumbs up, thumbs down. Here you click to see all the different images, and here is the presentation mode. So what we want to do, if we want to send this to students, we simply click Present, and then we click Stop Presenting. Students get this code, and we move along the slides until we finish. Basically, they get, if I click Start Presenting, the students go to this link, zeetings.com/HealyZ, for example, and then wherever I go as a teacher, the students will go. Basically, it's teacher-based. So as the teacher moves on with the slides, the students also, and then the teacher can immediately see all the responses. So it's very engaging online game. I usually use this for different reading comprehensions, the objectives, word clouds. I embed Quizlet cards. You can do it on the embed option. And different questions about the text. You can add your own presentations as well. As you see people's answers, you can discuss them, and that really enriches the lesson and the discussion. If you want to embed a Quizlet set, click on Embed Content, and here you just insert the embed code. You can also embed a Flipgrid or Quizlet. For example, if I go to Quizlet, this is my set. I click on the three dots and then embed. And then I just copy this embed code. I choose if I want it to be the match activity or the flashcards. Let's say it's the flashcards. I copy, and here on Zeetings, I paste. I click add, and then I get another slide with the code, with the Quizlet. And it just looks like this. So you can add different activities, even a Flipgrid. So here there's a whole reading comprehension lesson. I add a text and a question, a text and a question, and then people are engaged throughout the video. You can even embed an Edpuzzle. This is an Edpuzzle video. It's a video and it stops to ask questions. These are questions in the video. So you can make your Zeetings alive and rich. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Good luck doing it. Bye-bye.